Have you ever wondered how to start a career in cybersecurity? Let me share my journey from zero experience to earning my first cybersecurity certification. Hi, my name is Your Name, and just a year ago I didn't even know what penetration testing or firewalls were. But today, I've got my first cybersecurity certification. If I can do it, so can you. Here's how. It all started when I read about the demand for cybersecurity professionals. The idea of protecting systems and fighting hackers sounded thrilling, but I had no clue where to begin. That's when I decided to go for a beginner-friendly certification. After some research, I chose certification name, for example, CompTIA Security Plus. It's widely recognized and perfect for beginners. It doesn't require prior experience, just a passion to learn. To prepare, I divided my study into 3 parts. Learning fundamentals. I used free YouTube videos and online articles to understand the basics. Practice makes perfect. Hands-on practice on platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Box helped me grasp real-world scenarios. Exam prep, I used official guides and mock tests to ensure I was ready for the certification exam. It wasn't all smooth sailing. I struggled with networking concepts and time management, but I reminded myself, every expert was once a beginner, and that kept me going. Finally, the exam day arrived. I was nervous but confident in my preparation. And guess what? I passed! The feeling of seeing that congratulations message was priceless. Getting certified opened doors to internships and projects in cybersecurity, but it's just the beginning. My next goal is, well, maybe earning an advanced certification, joining a company, or even learning ethical hacking. If you're starting out, here are my top tips. Choose a beginner-friendly certification. Break your learning into small, manageable chunks. Practice hands-on. Theory alone won't help. Stay consistent even when it gets tough. That's my journey from zero to hero in cybersecurity. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below your goals in cybersecurity. Let's grow together and secure the future. Keep learning, keep hacking ethically, and stay inspired.